Hey everyone, welcome to Android Games Review. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am back with another game which is called as Disco Zoo. I have already reviewed this one, so if you want you can go and check the review on my page. But for this review, I'll try to put a short summary of what this game is about. So Disco Zoo is basically a casual offline game where you are having a zoo. So basically what you do is that you rescue animals from different areas and then you create your own zoo. Pretty much simple to understand, but here are few things that make this game really cute. First of all, the pixel art. If you can see, I have all of these types of animals that I have rescued. I have sheep, I have pigs. I'll just wake them up. Then I have rabbits, I have horses, cows, unicorns, and kangaroos. And I don't know how to spell this one. So okay, crocodiles, koalas. So I have different type of animals that I have rescued, and I have to just maintain this zoo. Now there are many tiny things that are happening in this game. First of all, the pixel art, as I mentioned, it's super cute. The visual effects and animations are worth noticing. At any time in the game, you can just notice that there is something happening in the background. Other than that, I want to mention that every animal that we rescue has a particular pattern. So it's not just like I'm rescuing any animal and I'm just putting it in my zoo. For example, I'll just show you that this is where I'm going to rescue. Okay, so yes, I'll go here. Now I am on the mission to rescue a fox. So every animal is having a particular pattern. So these are the blocks I have to select. Okay, I just got this. For example, I selected this one. Okay, I got this. Not a problem. Another coin. There are 7 attempts remaining for me. If I'll select this one. Okay. So this is one block. Now, like I said, every animal is having its own pattern. So some of the patterns are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, like a square. Some of the patterns are like zigzag. Some of the patterns are like this. So you have to remember those patterns as you progress in the game. You need to remember which pattern is used for which animal to be rescued. So I don't remember anything about the fox, but I'll just try. Maybe the second one is wrong. Okay, so this two. Now it could be this one. No, wrong. Okay, so this was the pattern for fox. So I rescued one fox and now I'll add it to my zoo. Similarly, there are different types of animals that you have to keep on rescuing, and then it will expand the area of your zoo. Another cute thing that I noticed in this game is this: like if you tap on the middle of the screen, all the animals will jump around it. In terms of visual effects and animation, there are many things which are happening in this game which is super cute and adorable. There are like some small missions which are happening. For example, one of the animals have escaped from their area, so you need to find them and then you will get rewarded. Similarly, one of the visitors might be lost in your zoo, so you have to find them. So such tiny small tasks in the game which are pretty cute. There's also a lot of customization that you can do, but I remember it was a bit expensive, if I'm not wrong. I need to check my review, but I remember it was a bit expensive. Secondly, what I remember is that the problem that I faced was once you expand your zoo and you have brought in many animals, it gets a bit difficult to manage them because horizontally your screen gets expanded, so it can get a bit difficult, but it's not something like a big deal. And what else do we have? Offline rewards are pretty good. That's not a problem. The final thing I want to say is that this is a pretty good offline game if you're looking for something which is creative and something that just makes you happy. Then you should try this one, because the overall vibe I remember while playing this one was very good. It was something unique, something very creative, and even the background music and the selection is just perfect. And now the cutest part of this game is when we turn on the disco, which will be here. I think this one. No, sorry, this is not. Okay, it's here. Start a disco party for 1 minute. So just look at this now. This was for the first time when I saw this. It was like, okay, what is happening here? Because it's something super cute and very unexpected. So when the disco is on, all the animals are enjoying, all the visitors are enjoying, and I personally feel that this was the highlight of this game because it gives you very different kind of experience in terms of gaming. Very creative, very beautiful, and a very good game as an offline mobile game if you're looking for one. So that's all from my side. If you like this review, just follow me on Instagram, subscribe me on YouTube, and I'll be back next time with some more games.